Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the unboxing of the HP Omen. This is the 2019 chassis with a 2020 refresh version with an i7-10750H, a 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a GTX 1660 Ti from Nvdia. This is a 15.6-inch version, and this comes with Windows 10 installed. And I forgot the storage capacity of this one, but I'm going to check it on the software soon when this one is set up. So yeah, unfortunately the tape is now been has been cut here. This is because I'm really excited to unbox this new laptop. My old laptop is a MacBook Pro from 2010, and it's really giving me headaches when it slows down. So yeah, 10 years from now, this is a really significant upgrade. So yeah, so let's unbox this. Like so, it's been already opened, as I said. As you can see, here is the laptop itself here. So this is the receipt of the laptop here, and this is the model of the laptop here. This is the laptop itself. There you go. So it's pretty nice finish. This is like a metal finish from the top here. So we're going to do a thorough review with this soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to put this for a side for just a bit. So this is the booklet for the HP Omen here. And I think this is the warranty information. Oh, this is the setup instructions on how to use the laptop itself. This is the how it looks like when the laptop is fully opened. So we're going to also check these ports on the laptop also. And this is the Arabic version of the same booklet. And also this is the part here. This compartment next here is the plug, the adapter for the HP Omen laptop. This one is the European type of plug, which is I'm going to commonly use to avoid adapters, and also the UK type of plug of adapter, which is I will rarely use. And also this is the power brick for the laptop. So this looks like an oversized power bank as it may seem, but this is really sleek. So that's a really good job from HP here. This is a 200 watts of power from the power brick here. Alright, so that's about it for the unboxing. That's almost there's to it though. So yeah, I'm going to leave you. I'm going to just go to you and put the laptop here in the box again, just to make sure it's for the looks. Oh man, I dropped it. Alright, okay, so yeah, that's about it guys, and stay tuned for the full review of this laptop, and also the first impressions when I test it thoroughly and stress test this laptop. So yeah, that's about it guys. I'm Jolo Navarro. Once again, Merry Christmas to all of you guys anywhere in the world, and that's about it. Signing out. Peace.